is so nice.
I'm going to die for you.
Oh, damn! 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 Damn!
Mario!
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito. Hello.
No, I'll fix it.
I did it.
Well, thank God I have a spare.
God damn it! I can't believe.
What the
SM64
doing?
What do you do?
Just hold this, Toad, and we can all go home. Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything. So please just stand there and be useless.
Mamma mia. So long, Toad.
Oi, keep it still, Toad!
Hey, Stinky.
So this is how I die.
Oh. Tapi para to tarbato luto. Oh. Don't mean. Don't mean. Don't mean. Don't mean.
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland Brown.
Mario, goddammit, hold it still!
Brown. My name is.
Okie dokie. Easy for me. Oh, you got Mario thinking now.
Oi, Mario, hold it still!
You little
All done.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Oh, you got Mario thinking now.
I'm in danger!
Shoot it down.
Spider pig, spider pig.
Get in there!
Huh?
I gotta do it, man.
Time to die.
Hey, what the hell is wrong with you? It's no use, Mario. Doesn't look like we can fix the light bulb.
Oh. Mamma mia.
Hey, stop that!
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito!
Oh, you screw the damn light bulb in!
Are you ready for a miracle? Are you ready for a miracle? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
What? What do you mean it's not working?
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito!
Just force it in!
Okie dokie.
I did it! I did it!
Haha, let there be light!
Oh, poop.
Good evening.
Wow, I hate that.
You get no bitches!
No puede tocarme. Tocarme.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Huh?
I'm a superstar.
No, not really.
Luigi, we're so happy to see you. We just wanted to replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Go, Luigi! Tomara tutto so reparo!
Oh, yeah.
O por esto no para ko na ba nga ito na maturo na so na para ko ke. Poto no tunita na tunna na sana to na kanara na sana na sarate no na rapetani tiniti.
Wow, it's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
Ah no, sinete pero konete no tonete.
You Super Luigi Mansion full.
Looks like it's up to us then.
I bet.
Get that mother.
Oh yeah.
Well, now you're gonna get it, mother.
You want fingers? Enlargement pills?
Oh.
Yeah, boy.
What do I do? What do I do? Oh, okay.
Defeated now, bitch!
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Get in my belly!
Huh? That's right. Take that, losers.
Eccolo tutto, è sembrete.
What? No! This was meant to work! Come on, you stupid pieces!
Stand
cannot suit.
Oh, mamma mia, tutto il motore gravato.
It's fast.
La la la. La la la.
Mario, I told you already. Toad won't work.
Can I get a...
I did it. I saved the world. Well, that was a load of shit.